Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is part 3 of Foldable number 3. This one we have a multiplication product. Or a multiplication. Yeah, a multiplication of a trinomial and a couple binomials and a monomial. So first thing we're going to do again is we're just going to factor out the top. So we're going to go ahead and factor it out. So we have our plus 9 here and our 6. So it's 3 and 3. So we're just going to go ahead and write it out now. So we have our x plus 3 times our x plus 3. And then we have, we can actually factor this out as well. So we're going to have, we can just go ahead and write it like we were writing it before. Times our 3 times x minus 3. And then focus on the denominator. What can we pull out of here? We can pull out a 2. And we get x squared minus 9, which gives us a difference of 2 squares. So it actually would be 2 times x plus 3 and x minus 3, which kind of works out because we have a plus 3 here and a minus 3 here. And our last one is just 4x. Alright, so this one here, now we can go ahead and, you know what, let me go ahead and rewrite this just so there's no confusion. I'm going to do it in black pen just so you see it's different. This kind of bugs me because this is the same denominator here, but I don't want to divide out over it. So we have x plus 3, x plus 3, put the 3 in front, then we have x minus 3, so that just basically multiplies the numerator. Now focusing on the denominator, and we have 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 3 times 4x. Now we can go ahead and find our common factors. We have our x plus 3, our x plus 3. These will divide out. We have our x minus 3 and our x minus 3. These will also simplify out. So all we're left with is, let's go to, I guess, sorry, I started coughing. So the domain, we're going to use the domain of the original product, which is what we have here. We can actually use this to make it a little easier. We have this, or here, right? So it's this times this. So we can go and do that. So we can have our 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 3 times 4x. This is all going to equal 0. This 2 here, we can just get rid of it, because if we just divide everything, I'll just show you. We divide everything by 2, divide this by 2, 2 goes away, and then this ends up being 0. So we still have x plus 3, x minus 3, and then 4x equals 0. So once we're going to do opposites. So this is going to be negative 3. This is going to be positive 3. But this, there's no opposite to this, because this is just 4x. Whenever you have a variable equal to 0, regardless if there's a number in front, it's just going to be 0, because 4x is equal to 0 divided by 4, x is 0. So we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so now we can go ahead and do our therefore. Therefore, the simplified form, or I said it again, simplified product is, it was 3 times x plus 3 over 8, comma, where the domain, sorry for blocking it with my hand, is all real numbers except that x cannot equal, or negative 3, 3, and 0. It's going to block this up a little bit. I don't want to get a little confused with that. Alright,